Hey folks, I'm Bernakovich with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're talking about the Oregon State University Permaculture Design Template. We're going to talk about navigating the template today. So you'll see on the left-hand side, we have a number of thumbnails. And you'll see at the bottom here that the thumbnail film strip view is clicked. If we click over to the gallery view, what will end up happening is we'll get the entire galleries. We won't necessarily be working on any one slide. We'll just see them in that gallery view. So we go over to the film strip, and now we have a column of all of the different slides plus a little scroll bar. So we can either scroll down by using a scroll wheel on our mouse, or if we don't have that, we can click on this bar and hold it and drag it up and down, or we can use the arrows on our keyboard. And if I click the down arrow, we move to the next slide, the down arrow again to the next slide after that, and so on. So that's one way to navigate through our template. The other way is each one of these table of contents has been linked directly to the title page of that week's assignment. So if we click on to site and regional challenges and click again on it, it'll take us directly to that title page. So that's another way to navigate the entire portfolio. If you're looking to navigate the slide itself, you may find on some slides that there are examples to take a look at, and those are off to the right. So a couple of ways to navigate this is we can click on the bottom here and we can slide over on the scale bar, the scroll bar, or we can do similarly up and down. Over here in the zoom area, we can click on the zoom controller on the right-hand corner, the downward arrow, and we can zoom out, which will give us a sense of everything that might be around this slide. Or we can zoom in and zoom in again, say we're working on something really specific and we need to zoom in. And we can go back and click fit, and that'll take us right back to the slide. So this is one way to operate around the slide. If you find that you're ever stuck in Zoom, and every time you click on your mouse, it takes you in or out for that matter, it just means that you're still on Zoom and you need to click over to select and be back on the mouse function. And then again, we can click on the downward arrow right beside the Zoom icon and click fit. And then we have the ability to come back. So that's a really short introduction to how to navigate the slides, both from the film strip on the left-hand side, but also in slide itself. We'll see you in the next video.